Attention passengers. The plane to New York is now boarding at gate 24. John, where is he?
Where is who?
I don't see him. What? He was right here.
No, he is not here.
Attention. Final boarding call. Please go to the gate now. John, we are boarding now, and our child is missing.
Okay. We will find him. Did you see him just now?
No, John. I was checking the tickets. I thought he was with you.
With me? No, I thought he was with you.
Okay, let's not fight. We need to think.
What if he is scared? What if he is crying?
He is a smart boy. He knows our names.
Yes, but he is still a child. Did he go to the bathroom?
I don't know.
Did you see him go?
No, I was looking at my phone, just for 1 second.
Sophie, don't blame yourself.
I shouldn't look at my phone. I should hold his hand.
We will find him. Okay, let's look around the gate first.
Okay, you go left, I go right.
Good idea. Stay close to the gate. If you see him, call me right away. I will do the same. Hello?
Excuse me, have you seen a little boy? Attention, gate 24 is closing in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, John. Only 5 minutes. What do we do if we don't find him now?
We don't leave. We don't get on the plane. We stay.
Yes, our child comes first. John, what if he is not near the gate?
Then we search the whole airport.
Attention, final call for Flight 782. Passengers must board now. That's our flight.
Yes, I hear it.
John, we can't just walk around. We're losing time.
You're right. We need help. Airport staff, security, anyone.
Okay, let's ask. Excuse me, sir? He didn't hear me.
Try again, louder.
Excuse me, we need help. Our child is missing. We are boarding now. Gate 24.
He is a little boy, blue jacket. Did I say it right?
Yes, you did great. I'm trying to stay calm, but my heart is very fast.
Mine too, but staying calm helps us think.
Gate 24 will close in 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Sophie, listen to me.
Yes.
We do 3 things. 1, stay together. 2, stay calm. 3, ask for help fast.
Say it again.
Stay together, stay calm, ask for help.
What if they close the gate?
Then we don't get on the plane.
And our bags?
None of that matters. Only him matters.
John, did you hear that?
Hear what?
A child laughing.
I'm not sure.
It sounded close.
Okay, we follow the sound together.
John, I hear it again.
Where?
Over there, near the windows.
Okay, let's go slowly.
My hands are shaking.
Mine too, but we stay calm.
John, that's him.
I think so too. Don't run. Walk slowly.
Baby, I'm here. It's Mommy. Thank God. We were so worried.
Why did you come here alone? You must stay close.
It's okay. You are safe now. Next time, you hold our hands, okay? We found him.
Yes, we did. Thank you for staying calm.
You too, John. I'm holding him.
Good. Don't let go.
I won't. Never again. Attention. Final call. Gate 24 is closing now. Closing, John.
We still try. We don't stop.
Excuse me, please. Our child was missing. We just found him. Attention. Gate 24. Status. Boarding closed.
Okay.
We didn't make it.
Sophie, look at him.
Yes. He's here. That's enough.
We missed the plane.
Is that bad?
No, not today. We can take another flight. Flights can change. Family comes first.
I need to sit for a moment.
Of course. Come here.
Today was scary, but we learned something.
Yes, in busy places, we stay close.
And it worked. Now what?
We talk to the airline. We stay calm.
Tonight?
Yes, tonight.
We are sitting now. We are calm.
Everything is okay.
Today was hard, but we learned something important. Let's learn some simple English. We say, the plane is boarding. That means it is happening now. We also say, our child was missing. That means we could not find him before. Is plus verb ing means now. We are waiting, we are sitting, we are calm. Simple English, real life. And the lesson is simple. In busy places, stay close, hold hands, and ask for help quickly. A flight can wait. Family comes first. Have you ever lost someone, even for a short time? Tell us your story in the comments.